Hey guys, how you doing? Looks like there was a earthquake in Bali, a 5.1. This is off the coast of the holiday spot in Indonesia. A 5.1 struck in Bali, in Kangen, exactly 2:15 p.m. It was 130 miles offshore. There hasn't been any tsunami warnings or anything like that issued, but as far as damages, I haven't heard anything on that. But it is toward the Ring of Fire, as you know, and so just reporting that. We'll let you know of more things happening. Just a reminder also that Indonesia has, it says about 17,000 volcano islands, so that could be another reason why there's a lot of earthquakes happening there, because of volcanic eruptions. So we'll keep you posted on regarding this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.